Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Plants Care and Guide. This is Sajira here. Today I've brought different kind of fertilizers that I use for my plants. So we'll be seeing each fertilizer and I'll be explaining you which fertilizer to be used on which plants. So let's begin the video. So this is the first fertilizer which I've got here today for you guys. This is seaweed fertilizer, and seaweed fertilizer I use the most for all my indoor plants as well as outdoor plants as well. The reason behind, if you read the benefits of this seaweed fertilizer, this is in a liquid form, and liquid form makes it very easy. All you have to do is, you have the measurement cap here. Just take this measurement cap. One cap has 25 ml. Just take this and add it for 10 liter water, one cap, and you can use it for all your indoor and outdoor plants. That makes very easy for watering the plants as well. Now what does this? When you water the plants with this seaweed fertilizer, the roots absorb and it takes all the nutrients. Now if I read the direction, you have all the direction how to use, what are the ingredients used in this. Mainly the seaweed is collected in this form, liquid form. So this is the one which I use most and I recommend to all of you guys. I use Epsom salt only for my plants. Now guys, when you go to purchase Epsom salt, there are two kinds of Epsom salt. One which is used for bathing purpose. This Epsom salt looks like crystal form. If you look at here, this is in a crystal form. It's not like a salt, but it's in a crystal form. This is the true one which you can use for your plants. Now coming to the benefits of Epsom salt. Epsom salt, when you have dried leaves or when you see the leaf starts getting yellowish or brownish and then it becomes dead and then it falls. So for that purpose we use Epsom salt. All you need to have to do is just take a teaspoon of Epsom salt and sprinkle it on the edges, or just dig the soil a little bit, add this Epsom salt and then cover it. This will do the magic on your plants. Let's see the third one. NPK. N is nitrogen, P is phosphorus and K is potassium. So all these three is very important for our plants. Like when you have plants in the ground, they get all the nutrients from the ground itself, but when you have it in a pot, they tend to lose the nutrients as in when we water. And NPK is not required only for your indoor plants, you can use it for your outdoor plants as well. This is water soluble. The one which I have here, it comes in a form of salt like a texture, which is very easily soluble in water. So all you need to do is the ratio, take a 10 liter water with 1 teaspoon of this NPK, it will get dissolved very easily and you can just water it as you regularly water your plants. So this has a lot of benefit guys. My first